Your F-150 is engineered with features that 99% of owners will never discover. Hidden capabilities designed to save you when systems fail, protect your valuable assets, and unlock control that Ford never advertised. Most owners think their F-150 manual tells them everything, but Ford buried some of the most powerful features so deep that even dealership technicians overlook them. Let's check them out. Number 8. Passive Key Backup Slot. Picture this. You're at a remote job site and your key fob battery dies. Your F-150 won't start. You're stranded. Most owners don't realize their truck contains a brilliant failsafe, the passive key backup slot. This hidden slot operates through electromagnetic induction rather than battery power. Instead of your dead fob transmitting a radio signal, the slot itself powers your key's transponder chip. Your truck authenticates the key code and the engine fires up. No battery required. Check your center console storage compartment first, looking for a small key fob-shaped indentation beneath the armrest. If your truck lacks a full-size console, inspect the area near the front cup holders. Simply drop your entire fob into the slot because the induction coil detects the chip automatically. This RFID authentication layer works even in environments with severe electromagnetic interference, where your normal proximity sensors would fail completely, but getting the engine started is just the first step. Knowing what's actually wrong with your truck requires diagnostic access that most owners think only dealerships possess. Number 7. Undocumented diagnostics activation. Your F-150 contains factory-level diagnostic modes that dealerships use for troubleshooting, and you can access them without specialized tools. The instrument cluster test mode is your gateway to powertrain diagnostics. Press and hold the cluster's select reset button, then turn your ignition to run. Keep holding for 5 seconds until test appears in your odometer display. This mode cycles through critical diagnostics. Gauge sweep verifies all gauges work. TAC displays precise digital RPM values, and most importantly, the DTC function reveals stored diagnostic trouble codes. The Sync Bezel diagnostics menu tackles your connectivity systems. For trucks with the 15-inch Sync 4A screen, simultaneously press and hold the volume down and track previous steering wheel buttons for 6 seconds. For the 12-inch Sync 4 screen, hold the steering wheel, next track, and radio controls next track buttons for the same duration. When your check engine light appears on a Friday evening and the nearest dealer is closed until Monday, being able to pull those codes yourself changes everything. When your FordPass app fails, this menu lets you verify cellular signal strength directly, a distinction that saves you from unnecessary dealer visits. These diagnostic capabilities are impressive, but your F-150's hidden features extend well beyond the cab. Number 6. Exterior perimeter illumination micromanagement. Zone lighting transforms your F-150 into a configurable 360-degree floodlight system, yet most owners never discover this exists. This feature provides independent control over 4 distinct exterior lighting quadrants. The hardware typically comes bundled with either the 360-degree camera package or the tow technology package. Navigate to the Features tab on your sync screen and select Zone Lighting. You'll see a top-down diagram of your F-150, allowing you to visually select each lighting zone. The front zone activates your headlights, the rear zone engages tailgate and cargo lights, while left and right zones trigger high-output mirror-mounted floods. You can hitch a trailer in complete darkness with targeted illumination on just one side. Need full perimeter security lighting? Activate all zones simultaneously. Anyone who's tried backing up to a boat ramp at 5 a.m. knows the struggle of working in complete darkness. The real power emerges through FordPass app integration for remote control approaching your truck in a dark parking area. Illuminate the entire perimeter before you get there. Zone lighting protects you when you approach your truck, but what about protecting what's attached to your truck? Number 5. Smart Trailer System Security. Your F-150 actively protects attached trailers through continuous electronic monitoring, a security feature most owners don't realize exists. The Trailer Theft Alert system transforms your truck into an active guardian of valuable assets. Once your trailer is connected and your truck is locked, the trailer module continuously monitors the electrical circuit's impedance and resistance signatures. If someone unplugs the wiring harness or cuts the connection to steal your trailer, the truck immediately detects the drastic change in circuit impedance. The response is immediate and dual-layered. First, your F-150 triggers the standard vehicle alarm, horn blaring, lights flashing. Second, the integrated cellular modem sends a real-time trailer theft alert directly to your smartphone via FordPass even if you're miles away. If you've ever left a valuable trailer connected overnight, you know that sinking feeling of wondering whether it'll still be there. The body control module converts a basic diagnostic function into a high-security anti-theft deterrent. While early 2021 models experienced some false alarms, Ford addressed these through over-the-air updates. Security monitoring is impressive, but it's worthless if your trailer lights aren't functioning properly. Number 4. Automatic trailer self-check. Verifying trailer lights traditionally requires two people, one in the cab activating signals and another outside confirming operation. Your F-150 eliminates this through automated trailer light check functionality. Activate the sequence through your sync screen or remotely via the Ford Pass app. The system cycles through every required lighting state: parking lights, left turn, right turn, brake lights, holding each long enough for you to walk the trailer perimeter and verify every bulb functions correctly. The diagnostic specificity goes far beyond older trailer connections. Instead of vague trailer light fault warnings, your F-150 pinpoints exact failures. You'll see messages like "trailer left marker light out" displayed on your driver information screen. Your body control module sends regulated micropulse tests through specific wiring harness circuits. By monitoring electrical resistance and current draw, the BCM accurately infers the functional status of individual circuits, so your trailer's electrical systems are secured and verified. But what about maximizing the utility of the truck itself? Number 3. Integrated cabin utility. Your F-150's cabin and cargo bed contain overlooked utility features designed for owners who use their trucks as workspaces. In models equipped with the folding gear selector, the shifter folds completely flat, allowing the console lid to unfold into a wide platform for supporting a laptop or paperwork. The tailgate serves as a specialized workstation. The surface integrates molded ruler indentations for quick measurements, specialized clamp pockets for securing materials, and holders for smartphones and writing instruments. F-150 crew cab models provide substantial secure storage beneath the rear seats. Flip up the rear bench to reveal a deep, weather-protected compartment. Many configurations now feature a lockable, fold-flat lid allowing dual purposes. When you need to secure firearms or important documents without leaving them visible, standard storage won't cut it. Certain premium trims like the Raptor incorporate a highly concealed mechanically keyed compartment beneath the rear seat. Access requires retrieving the small mechanical key hidden within your key fob and inserting it into a discrete lock disguised as standard hardware. This physical authentication creates a tamper-resistant location for sensitive valuables. These built-in features are impressive, but if you want to unlock your F-150's full potential, you need to go beyond what Ford officially allows. Number 2. Forscan. Your F-150's electronic systems contain features present in the hardware but suppressed in software. Regional compliance and market segmentation create these limitations. Forscan provides a digital backdoor to access and modify parameters within your body control module. One of the most valuable modifications is global Windows activation, allowing remote window operation using your key fob. While global down sometimes comes enabled, modifications typically unlock the crucial global up function, closing all windows remotely. The reason the feature stays disabled in North America relates to regulatory anti-pinch safety standards. Rather than equipping every vehicle with required sensors, Ford uses software suppression to achieve regional compliance. Forscan access extends to parameters that enhance operational safety. Enthusiasts routinely adjust turn signal flash counts, changing the default 3-flash lane change sequence to 4 or 5 clicks, which benefits towing long trailers. Other modifications include enabling Bambi mode for simultaneous high beam and fog light operation and permanently disabling the auto start-stop function. Forscan lets you customize software-controlled features, but there's one hardware capability that requires proper activation knowledge. Number 1. Pro Power Onboard Management and Generator Mode. One of the most frustrating situations on a remote work site is needing serious electrical power when there's not an outlet for miles. The optional Pro Power Onboard system transforms your F-150 into an exceptionally potent mobile power station, offering outputs from 2.0 kilowatts in standard gas models up to 7.2 kilowatts in Power Boost hybrids and 9.6 kilowatts in F-150 Lightning variants. That's enough to run professional power tools, a refrigerator, or provide emergency home backup. The critical operational procedure that escapes most new owners is the mandatory dual-stage activation protocol. Energizing the system requires more than selecting the feature on your infotainment screen. Navigate to Sync's Features menu, select Pro Power Onboard, then activate Generator Mode. The second essential stage is physical. You must press the dedicated power button located adjacent to the high output outlet panel in your cargo bed. Once ProPower is running, the sync screen provides sophisticated real-time load management. The interface displays instantaneous power consumption metrics and estimated remaining runtime. This telemetry is crucial for professional users, allowing you to calculate wattage consumption to avoid system overload. Your F-150 contains layers of engineering that go far beyond what's printed in the owner's manual. From emergency mechanical failsafes fail-safes to sophisticated trailer security monitoring, these hidden features transform your truck from a simple workhorse into a fully connected, intelligent machine. The difference between the average F-150 owner and someone who truly maximizes their truck comes down to knowledge, and now you have it. But don't think that Ford engineers are the only ones that pack hidden features. If you're a Chevy guy, you must check out our video about Silverado's hidden features. From advanced trailering system features to overlook tailgate functions, Chevy's truck is loaded with small secrets.